Welcome to the Kentucky 4-H virtual experience. Today we're focusing on 4-H Cloverbuds. My name is Jennifer Tackett and I'm an Extension Specialist for 4-H Youth Development. Today our activity focuses on plants and animals. We're going to make a pine cone bird feeder. The materials that you will need are a large pine cone, peanut butter, or you can also use Crisco, mixed bird seed, scissors, string, and wax paper if you're going to transport it anywhere. Take your pine cone and cover it in peanut butter or Crisco. Make sure you roll up your sleeves as this can get messy. When the pine cone is covered with peanut butter or Crisco, roll it in birdseed, taking care to cover it with as much seed as possible. Next, you'll tie string at one end and it's ready to hang outside. Once you hang it outside, watch for birds in your yard. What kinds of birds do you see? What kinds of things do they eat? Do other animals, other than birds, come to the bird feeder? Thank you for joining me today for the Kentucky 4-H virtual experience focused on 4-H Cloverbuds. For more information regarding our 4-H Cloverbud projects, check out your local University of Kentucky Cooperative Extension Service.